Welcome to Academeez React course. React course, along with all of the courses in Academeez, are completely free, open source, community-driven technology courses. The courses include material for beginners and experts. Each course includes video lesson, step-by-step guide, online coding exercise, and interview questions. All of these can be found in our free site. No need to register or write your email. Everything is completely free and open source at academeez.com. Let's mention a few facts about React so you'll understand what this course is all about. React is a library for creating user interface components. User interface components means you can create your screen using React. You create your screen using React by splitting your screen to smaller UI sections called components. And React helps you build those reusable components. React is open source and created by Facebook. At the time of this recording, React is the most popular user interface component library out there. This means it's heavily used in the industry and there is a large demand for React developers. You can use React to build web application, mobile app, desktop apps, but this course is a web development course, so we will focus on using React to develop a web application. In this course, we are going to use React for web development, to create web application, websites, so you should have basic knowledge in web development. That includes HTML, CSS. The programming language we're going to use to create our web application is JavaScript, and we're going to use NPM for basic package installations. As someone who's been teaching for a long time, I have a certain tip regarding how you should learn a coding technology. I don't think I can teach you how to be a React expert. In fact, I don't think any teacher can teach you that, or any online course can teach you how to be a React expert. To be a React expert, you have to have motivation. Motivation leads to discipline. Discipline will lead you to sit down, code, read, ask questions, and learn on your own. If you have motivation, you will be a React expert. If you have motivation, you will dedicate the time, and after a while, you will be a React expert. It is that motivation that will cause you to ask questions that will lead you to answer and advanced topics in React. So my tip to you is do not trust on an online course, including this course, that will give you answers to everything, that will make you be a React expert. It is my job as a teacher not to make you a React expert, but to give you motivation and push you in the right direction. So following an online course lesson by lesson will not make you an expert. Motivation will make you an expert. Now, I can say about myself, I'm highly motivated by creating new product. So when I want to learn a new technology, for example, the last technology I wanted to learn was HTMX and Django. And also I wanted to understand better and smarter how to invest my money. So I read a book and then I created a software that will help me, a web application using HTMX and Django that will help me invest my money in stocks. So this is how I learned the latest technology. I created motivation and then I started programming. And this has caused me to learn new technology. And by the way, it's extremely fun. You'll get addicted to this approach of learning. When you learn this way, I started creating my stocks application, my stock website, and then I started asking questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? And then I looked at YouTube lectures, lessons, and such. By asking, I built my own questions, and then I followed along. Rather it was some lesson from an online course, or some instruction from YouTube, or just reading some stuff on the internet, or Googling some stuff, or looking at Stack Overflow, but it started with motivation. And that is a powerful tool. I didn't notice, and then I started programming for a long time straight just to understand how to create my application, and I became really good at Django and HTMX. So I still use it today to learn, and in my opinion, this is the best approach to learning. Think of an application that excites you. Think of a website that you need. It can be stock investment, it can be generating AI for generating icons, or whatever application you want to create. Think about an application that excites you and start building the application with React. During the development of that application, you'll start asking yourself questions. I need to create a login. How do I do that with React? How do I create a backend using Node and Express and then talk with my front end with my backend and start asking questions? And during those questions, look in Academeez for a lesson or a tip or best practices, and this is where you can use online videos, courses, and other materials. So start with motivation and push your way to creating your web application with React, This is what's going to make you a React expert. We talked about motivation as an incentive tool for learning React. So let's talk about motivation, why you should learn React. And I'm going to say something that you'll probably won't hear on other React online courses. In my opinion, React is not the best. React is really good, but it's not the best tool for creating a web application. Although it's not the best tool, usually when I have to create complex web application with large teams, usually I choose React. When you have large application with large team, large startups, large company, when you're developing something for that you know that you're going to have to develop it for the next 5, 10 years, choosing the right technology is really important. So for example, if I chose in 2014, for example, I would probably choose AngularJS, right? It was the most popular single-page application framework at that time, when React was just beginning its journey. If you choose AngularJS, after 5 years, you probably get really disappointed from your choice. So the way I choose a technology today, if I'm developing something for the next 5, 10 years, I have to reduce the risk that I have to do a large refactoring and create my application from scratch because some technology that I based on was abandoned, like AngularJS. So the way I do it is I look at the popularity of the technology. React is the most popular user interface library. A lot of industries are adopting React. So if React ever get abandoned, I know that Netflix will have a large interest to continue React development. Airbnb, Wix, those are companies that have invested billions in their products and built something that is based on React. So it's a comfort for me as CTO to know that I can choose this technology and I'm in a good company, so to speak. A lot of industries, a lot of companies are choosing React. So if I have to build something big, I usually choose React. And although it's not the best, it is really good. I developed amazing products using React. The fact that it's the most popular user interface means that I have a larger chance to find expert React developers. I have a larger pool size of supply of developers, of React developers, that I can more easily find expert in those fields. Other frameworks, other UI libraries with smaller popularity, it's harder for me to find really expert developers on those fields. So the same process of thinking that I'm doing as CTO, other companies are doing as well, and they are adopting React as the tool for creating their web application. So based on that, you as a developer have large demand from the industry for React developers. So if you become a React developer, you have a strong thing to write in your CV. You have a strong tool that a lot of industries will pay a lot of money to have this knowledge. In my opinion, front-end web application in general is the smallest moat to cross for your first job. If this is your first job and you're seeking your first job, probably front-end web development and React is the smallest moat you need to cross. By moat, I mean when you choose certain aspects, certain fields, depending on that field, it might be harder to get a job because they're looking for more experienced developer. For example, DevOps, usually companies that are looking for DevOps engineers are usually looking for a lot of experience in those fields. While web front-end, although it is hard to become an expert, to get your first job, that's the easiest mode to cross, in my opinion. So if you're looking for your first job, I would focus on front-end and I would focus on React, which has a really easy learning curve. So this is why I would focus, especially from a beginner in the world of web development, and I'm looking for my first job and they're looking to gain experience, I would start with front-end web development. Not to say that front-end web development is easy. It is hard to become an expert in front-end web development, but it is the easiest to find your first job. Not to be an expert, but the easiest to find your first job. So for beginners, I would definitely recommend React and front-end web development as a starting point. I think we're now ready to learn React and become React developers. As a reminder, this course is available online at academeez.com course React. The site is completely free, no need to register, everything is open. Every lesson is baby steps. You also have coding exercise in each lesson online. So you have an editor online in the site to write the exercise and see the solution. Also, the solution is below the exercise. If you like this initiative, you can start us on GitHub. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's learn to become React developers.